In 2016, Skyepharma has embarked into a transformation journey from a drug delivery platform into a fully integrated CDMO in complex solid dosage forms. We have invested in state-of-the-art equipment and strengthened the existing skills of Skyepharma team in order to better help our clients achieve their targets and ultimately better address patients' needs. Skyepharma is able to offer all services to its clients, from early-stage development projects, scale-up, technological transfer, to industrial manufacturing, including packaging, serialization and aggregation. We also offer other related services through the whole life cycle of our clients' products. Finally, our capabilities and extended capacities allow us to work with all types of clients, from big pharma to mid-size, emerging and virtual pharmas. As a fully integrated CDMO, Skyepharma team can help you achieve your time-to-market goals.